Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I am happy to tell you that my bathroom trash can sucks, but in a very good way. This trash can not only looks beautiful and adds a modern feel to my bathroom, but it also has a motion sensor that automatically opens and closes. It also has the awesome suction feature to suck all of the air between the liner and the wall of the bin. So are you ready to make your time in the bathroom easier and more pleasurable? Then you have to check out this motion sensing bathroom trash can. I know it's hard to get excited about a bathroom trash can, but this one has so many features that I love and I want to tell you about. The sensor works perfectly with just the wave of my hand. It opens with ease and then in a couple of seconds it automatically closes. The bathroom I put it in is kind of small, so I love that it's the perfect size to fit between the toilet and the wall. It's also not too small that I have to change out the liner every day. Speaking of changing out the liner, this trash can comes with several of its own bags, and it's very easy to pull out and get the other one ready to use. There's a tiny hole on the side of the bin where you can make everything snug and secure. Then you put the lid back on and let the vacuum do its thing. I love that feature.
So if you're ready to add a little luxury to your bathroom, then I highly recommend this trash can from CTIME. And that's my point of view.